Hi friends, coming to the second unit, the next topic is context free grammar. In the next second unit, topic is context free grammar. That is, what is context free grammar? Means context free grammar is a formal grammar, so which is used to generate all possible patterns of the strings in a given formal language. It is a formal grammar which is used to generate all possible patterns of strings in a given formal language. Okay, so this topic you have learned in the flat also. Okay, now how you can define context free grammar as G with G. So G consisting of four tuples: V, T, P, S. V, T, P, S. So G means grammar, T means terminal, V means non-terminal, P is the production rules, S is the start symbol. And see here, terminal means terminal is consisting of only smaller lowercase letters or lowercase letters. And coming to the non-terminal, it consisting of uppercase letters. Okay, non-terminal means uppercase letters, terminal means lowercase letters. And P is the production rule. Production rule means which is used for replacing the non-terminal symbols or left side of the production in a string with other terminals or the non-terminals. Okay, if you'll see the example, you can understand easily productions, what is the production rules. And coming to the start symbol. So this start symbol is used to derive the string. Okay, we will derive the string by using the start symbol. Okay, and see. For example, consider E equals to E plus E. Okay, this is a production rule. S tends to A S. S is B R A. Okay, left side. Okay, these are called as non-terminal. Okay, coming to the small A, B, C, these are called as a terminals. Right hand side. Okay, non-terminals, terminals. Okay, now see one example, you can understand. Construct a, so you can write context free grammar as a CFG. Okay, now example, construct context free grammar for the language any number of A's over the set sigma A. Okay, now how we can write as sigma means A. So our language is epsilon A. So why? Because any number of A's means 1A, A square means 2A's, 3A's, 4A's and so on. You can write. That is our language. So how you can write our regular expression? Regular expression we can write it as A star. Okay, A star. Now, for example, if you'll take, see, if you'll take the production rule, S tends to AS, this is a production rule 1. And next is S tends to epsilon. This is a second rule. If you will consider these are the two rules and my input string is A 4A's. I have to derive the 4A's. Means what is the rule actually? First I have to start with the start symbol S. Then I can write it as with the A from production rule 1. I can write it as AS. Okay, from to A. AS I can write. Again I can write A as easily. From S I can write again AS. Okay, this AS I can write. Again I can write A as easily. Now from A I can write it as AS. From 1. But my input string is 4A's. So again A. This I can write as AS. Okay. From 1. Again my input string is A. In place of S I can write A epsilon. Okay, we can remove epsilon, A. So from 2, production number 2. See here, from production number I am deriving S is A's. Okay, from S, A is taking as easily in the place of S, I am writing A's. Again A, I am taking out A, again in the place of S I am writing A's. Again taking A as it is, S is A's. In the place of S I am writing epsilon. So my input string is A. I got my input string. Okay. And see one more example. So example 2, I am taking construct context free grammar for the language L is A power n, B power 2n. So n is where n is greater than or equals to 1. Now write the language. Now what is our rule? L equals to A power n, B to the power of 2n. So in the place of n you will write 1. What is our language? A power 1, B square. Okay, A square, B power 4, A cube, B power 6, so on. Okay, so this you can write as A, B, 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 and so on, like that you can write. So now our production rules. Now write the production rules. What are the production rules? See, they have given S is AS, BB, and S is ABB, S tends to epsilon. Okay, now what is the input string? My input string is let me erase this one question. Okay, this is a language, this is the production rules. Okay, now my input string I have to derive is A, B. Okay, now start with the start symbol, start S. Okay, S I can write it as S tends to AS, B. Okay, I am taking A as it is and these two B's right side. From S I am writing again what I can write as easily. This I can write, this also I can write. Okay, so from 1, 2, 3. Okay, from 1 I am writing A, S, B. Okay, again I am taking A out, B. Now in the place of S, I need only what is the input string? 2 A's and 4 B's. A, B. So from production rule number 2, not 2, 3. So I am placing epsilon. Then I can write as A, B. So our input string is derived. Okay. See here you can write here actually from 1. In place of here you can write from 2. Then you can get A, B. Here only your step is finished. You can take as your own wish. Okay. Thank you.